Okay, I'm Mr. Rowell Lyngdoh, nephew of late Rowell Lyngdoh. I have been staying with him since 1970. So, whatever he has written on this book, it's all true and it's a fact. Because what happened was from 1971, I remember, he used to write in a paper, sit in a corner, and always write. I don't know what he's writing also. Then only after the 1983, then we realized that he want to write a book or something, because he keep on collecting all whatever he has done in the past here, and he continued to do that till he could accomplish to ready with the script of this book. But sadly, he could not be there when it was about to print. He fell ill, and then with God's grace, he was taken away, and he left us on the 13th of March 2022. But luckily, on the 12th of March 2022, the day before he died, he could see this book, and he's laughing, and only within 11 hours after that, then he passed away.
So, any interesting, important portion which you remember?
See, he started from his early life in the village, and then walking on foot from the village to Shillong, taking around 11 hours up to Moplang when he came to school, and he started that the book started with that. And then interestingly, what is most interesting is dedication to hard work. Dedication of hard work is very pertinent, yeah. That because he's ploughing, he's growing rice, he's ploughing the field. He never stay idle. Even when he was deputy chief minister, his allotted vehicles will be always full of dough and other clothes to go to the paddy field.
He was also known as a plain and straightforward man in politics.
Yeah, even the speaker today, both the chief guest and the guest, the president of Khasi Author Society, they do mention that. But how can I say, or how can we say that we cannot just give him all the credit? But we heard in the speech today that he is so. We are thankful to the people who knows that.
So, Haji, you can speak about his contribution.
Yeah, I'm Sondra Kaji, son-in-law of Rowell Lyngdoh. So we are so happy that we have finished the release of the book, My Journey, written by Rowell Lyngdoh. And it's actually it's very sad for our family. For the last 5 years, or five months back, we lost my father-in-law as well as my missus. Still then we managed to finish this important that we can able to release the book, and we are so happy because we know that Mr. Rowell Lyngdoh is a very simple man, and he always dedicated to his work, and he's a very simple and silent man, but the actions speak louder than words. So not only as a family members, but even in his political life, we know that he's very simple, and he has really worked hard for the interests of the people. And just now we had several leaders speaking in this function. They do mention about his work during his being leader of the state, and not only that, they do mention that he's the one who work hard that the Southwest Khasi district, to get the district and all the developmental works in the district, means not only in the southwest, but at that time when the southwest and west councils, southwest is not there, west councils still function as the district. So he's the one who worked hard for the interest of the people. So see, there's already written in the book, I think. No? I think there's already written in the book about his way of working. So we really admire for this as a family.
Over to Doctor.
I'm Dr. Res Derwa, and I'm his youngest daughter, son-in-law. This is the special day of in the family, especially. It's the 2nd of September, and this is one of his dream also that to have his book released on this special day because it's his birthday also. So about the book, it's one autobiography on his life, which he has written right from the day when from his early childhood life. But we see his multi-dimensional life, and he has also a very long inning in his political career, right from the day when we have Meghalaya State 1972. He was the first MLA from Maukarwat, and he represented that constituency almost 7 terms, almost 35 to 7 years. So whatever development we see there in Southwest Kasils, it's because of his contribution, it's his guidance, it's bloom that society, that place right from the block to the subdivision, and now it's a district. It's because of him. Whatever we see in Southwest Kasils, it's because of him. And when you see when his political career also, most of the people, they will all talk about him as a very simple living, high thinking person. And he has been one of the longest members serving in the Congress party also. So recently only in 2015 only he shifted over to NPP, and that was the last election which he fought. So in his last days, when he was almost when his retirement age, he concentrated so much on this book, and he was so much enthusiastic that he wanted this book to be released. So today is a very special day for our family. At least we could fulfill his dream that his book on his about his autobiography on his life, My Journey, has been released today, and we hope it will be a contribution to the society, maybe even the political field, or maybe as a society. Jackson Vale Casino, he has written so much about the Jackson Vale also, and he has written so much about the lifestyle of the people living in the village and whatever he learned from his life. So it will be for us also in this generation to learn from what he has written. Like one of the speakers who was speaking today, like even if Rowell is no more with us today, he lived with us through this book, and we can learn so much from this book, and we hope that it will be a contribution to the society, and maybe especially the younger generation will be coming up. They will learn so many things from this book when they go through this book, and we hope that through your telecast will be and advertise. Maybe you can spread out this message to all the people who are watching your channels, that they'll be look forward to go through this book, and it will be a blessing for all of us who can go through and read this book, and it will be a contribution to all the people in the society. So that's more from our side.